Hi, this is Evan from Digital Team Coach. We're going to be running a workshop really soon on effective communication for small churches. And I'm going to be co-presenting with Leroy Coote, who is the vicar of 2 parishes in the outer eastern suburbs of Melbourne. Leroy is passionate about his church. He's passionate about resourcing the church for the 21st century to be able to thrive for decades to come, which is my heart as well. So I really look forward to presenting with Leroy. What we've found, particularly in smaller churches, is that it can be really hard to communicate well when you've got lots of people spread out, particularly in this time of lockdown, of isolation. People have different preferences of communication, different technology capability. Some people will be up with the latest gadgets, the latest apps, and be really happy to communicate in that way. But other people are going to be more hesitant. Maybe they don't have the capability to be able to do that, and they still want that physical touch piece and physical communication in their letterboxes. So it makes our jobs as church leaders really hard to be able to communicate in lots of different methods, to be able to do that effectively, efficiently, and not be weighed down and make it consume so much of our time, particularly when we don't have a lot of face-to-face contact with people. So in this session, Leroy and I would love to give you a few things to be able to help your church. So we're going to be looking at how we can communicate with our congregations as we're starting to come out of lockdown. We want to look at how we can equip ourselves to be able to communicate more effectively in the 21st century. And we want to help you to be able to use your technology to simplify communications. Even for people who still want that physical communication, we can help you and give you some resources to be able to simplify the process and save you a lot of time in the meanwhile. So if you're a smaller church who is struggling with all the different modes and methods and it's taking up a lot of your time, then please come to our workshop. Leo and I would love to see you there and work with you to make your job easier. Bless you, and I hope to see you there.